Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on SONY Xperia 1.4. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Select this app, install it. After the process is finished, we'll be able to open the app, click on Get Started, choose the account or add another one, click OK. Now press on this plus button and then join the class. Here enter the code which you should be provided with and then select Join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.